Imagine two people earning the same salary. 10 years later, one is a millionaire, while the other is drowning in debt. The biggest difference isn't how much they earn, it's what they choose not to buy. Today, we'll reveal 7 things that many financially successful people often avoid and the mindset behind those choices. Many people spend money just to look successful. Expensive clothes, luxury watches, or the newest phone can create an image, but they don't automatically build wealth. Financially successful people often ask, does this purchase improve my life, or am I buying it to impress someone? Lesson: wealth grows when spending matches your priorities, not other people's opinions. A new phone, a new car, a new laptop, every year. Constant upgrades can quietly drain your finances. Many wealthy people use products until they truly need replacing, instead of upgrading just because a newer version exists. One of the biggest wealth killers is expensive debt. Using credit responsibly is different from carrying high interest balances that keep growing month after month. The more money spent on interest, the less money remains to invest or save. Trendy products come and go. Successful people usually focus on long-term value instead of buying whatever is popular this week. Trends fade. Good financial decisions last much longer. Luxury isn't automatically bad. The key question is timing. Many financially successful people build assets first and buy luxury later, rather than borrowing money just to look wealthy. One common habit among disciplined investors is paying themselves first. Instead of spending everything and investing what's left, they often save or invest first, then plan the rest of their spending around the remaining money. A liability usually costs you money over time. An asset has the potential to produce income or grow in value. Many financially successful people try to increase the number of assets they own over time, while being selective about purchases that create ongoing costs. Being rich isn't about never spending money. It's about making intentional decisions and understanding the difference between things that create long-term value and things that only provide short-term satisfaction. Which of these 7 habits surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoy practical money, business, and wealth stories, subscribe to Cash Nova AI for more videos every week.